Hey guys, if you are an Pinterest user, so you may be facing an error called updating in your conversation or cannot create new conversation on your Pinterest application. So if you're using Pinterest on your Google Chrome or any type of browser, so it can work on there too. And if you're using on your app, this format will also help you in the both website and application usage. So just open your Pinterest here from like this. I will show you and I will show you that how can you create and chat on here there, like this is on Pinterest application you can see, and that is my home page. In home page you will see an option called chat just left of your profile here. Click on that and you can see there is my inbox, and here I will click on the new message to create a message. Just enter the mail ID which I want to send the message here. Click on the next, and whenever you will click on the next, the chat page will be open here. What if you cannot access to this chat page, or this chat page is not opening into your mobile phone or not opening in your Pinterest account? So this setting is just due to your network connection. Firstly, just make sure that you have a good connection, because these type of things need a better and a strong type of network connection to run smoothly. After that, if you check your network connection, that is good, and still the issue is happening, so you just have to click on your Pinterest application here on your application manager. Click it and hold it for 3 or 4 seconds like this. Go on the app information here, click on the force stop here. Just force stop your Pinterest application from here and it will be stopped. After that you can simply open your Pinterest again from here. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you.